In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature into a PDF document using Microsoft Word, Paint, and Acrobat Reader DC. First, let's create a PDF document using Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word and start with a blank document. Type a title for your document, then select the title and use the alignment options to place it in the center. After that, enter whatever text you want to include in your document. You can organize the content however you like, and for this example, we'll also place the signature area toward the right side. Once the document is ready, go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose this PC, then select the desktop as the location where you want to save the document. In the Save As type section, choose PDF and then click Save. Your Word document has now been converted into a PDF file. Next, let's create the signature that we'll add to the PDF. Open the Start menu and search for Paint, then open Microsoft Paint. Once Paint is open, look at the drawing tools and choose a thicker line. You can select one of the thicker options from the line settings, then choose the pencil tool. Now use the mouse to write your name in the drawing area. Try to make the signature look as natural as possible. If you make a mistake while writing, you can use the Undo option and try again with the mouse. When you're satisfied with the signature, go to the File menu and choose Save As. Save the signature as a PNG image. PNG is useful here because it maintains good image quality. Give the file a recognizable name, such as Signature, and save it to the desktop. Now open Adobe Acrobat Reader DC and locate the PDF document you created earlier. Right-click the PDF file, choose Open With, and select Acrobat Reader DC. Once the PDF is open, look near the top of the window for the Fill and Sign option. Select it, then choose the option to add a signature. When the signature options appear, select Image. This allows you to use the PNG signature image you created in Paint. Locate the signature file on your desktop, select it, and click Open. Then choose Apply. Your signature will now appear on the PDF and follow your mouse cursor. Move it to the appropriate area, such as the right side of the document, and click to place it. If the signature looks too large, you can adjust its size until it fits neatly in the available space. Once you're satisfied with the placement, go to File and save the document. Confirm the save if prompted, and the signature will now be part of your PDF. If you want a handwritten signature instead of one created with a mouse, you can write your signature on paper and either scan it or take a photo. The image may have a darker background, but it can be cleaned up using image editing software before saving it as a PNG. And that's how you can create a PDF document and add a signature to it using Microsoft Word, Paint, and Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,